I am a 5 years plus remote worker, and I need to tell you something about free remote job sites you've never heard of. Stop applying for job alerts. Seriously, some of the best remote jobs available right now are being posted on websites that cost absolutely nothing to use. No hidden charges, no upgrade apply. And one of these platforms helps someone land a role paying over $2,000 monthly from Africa. Stay until the end because the last platform is the most job seekers never heard of. And if you have ever spent hours applying for remote jobs and had nothing back, you are not alone. This video is made for you. If you have ever uploaded your CV to dozens of websites and only to receive rejection email, you are not alone. I'm sending you virtual hug. And if you have started believing that remote job are only for people living in Europe, America, or Canada, that is exactly why you are struggling. Most Africans job seekers are searching in the wrong places and wrong sites. They're actually competing with millions of applicants on crowded platforms like Indeed and LinkedIn. Meanwhile, recruiters are actively hiring from small platforms where competitions are lower and opportunities are actually easy to find. Because here is what nobody tells you: finding the right job board can sometimes be more important than having the perfect CV. Let me show you why. A few months ago, one of my followers sent me a message. She has been applying for a remote job for nearly 6 months, hundreds of job applications, almost zero interview. Her confidence was gone. So she thought maybe remote work wasn't meant for her. Then we look at where she was actually applying. That was actually the problem. Every application was going to same overcrowded website everyone else was actually using in Africa. So I gave her a different approach. Instead of applying everywhere, I told her to focus on few lesser known platforms that regularly hire global talents like yourself. Platforms that don't actually require subscription at all. Platforms where companies are actually looking for remote workers from Africa. At first, she didn't believe it would make much difference. But then something happened. Within weeks, interviews started coming in. Then more interview, then offer. And eventually she landed a remote position any more than she has ever earned locally. What changed is not her skill, didn't magically improve overnight. What changed is not her CV. She simply started looking where opportunities actually existed. And that is exactly what I'm about to show you. Lesson number 1, use JobGadder. Most people have never heard of it before, but companies post remote jobs from all around the world. Why JobGadder actually works is because the platform focuses heavily on remote-friendly employers that can actually hire Africans like you. Why most people feel they are only searching on crowded job boards. How to apply on JobGadder. They curate a profile on their platform and filter job by remote opportunities. Lesson number 2, check Skill Army. Skill Army actually connects you with high dollar paying job. So if you are in Latin, if you are in North Europe, if you are in Africa, you can apply there. Why most people actually feel they ignore small things platform and how to apply on Skill Army today. You can search for them on LinkedIn or search for them on Google and start applying immediately. The lesson number 3, you are going to be applying on Brute Work. For Brute Work, you can see jobs related to customer support, travel agent, virtual assistant. Many roles are actually open to Africans applicants like you. Why most people might fail on this platform is they assume remote job require advanced technical skills. Many thousands, like if I'm not exaggerating, like 100 people of my followers on TikTok actually got interview with them. So you are going to be trying Colonica next. Yes, the company behind Ubuntu. Why it works, Colonica is one of the world most friendly remote why you can fail is because you are thinking global companies will not hire Africans. So you are going to check the openings directly and apply consistently. Platform number 5, you are going to be applying to professional.me. Platform number 6, Brute Trust, Personal, Social Discovery Group, iJob. This platform may not be trending on social media, but that is exactly why they are powerful, because they are lower competition, higher feasibility for you, better chances, and that is actually where opportunities are. So let's recap what you have learned today on this video. You don't need expensive subscription. You don't need thousands or hundreds of applications, and you definitely don't need to wait for opportunities to find you in your bedroom, because it's not going to find you. Start exploring JobGadder, Scale Army, Brute Work, Colonica, iJob, Social Discovery, Professional.me, Brain Trust, Personal. One opportunity can completely change your income, your career, and your future, but only if you know where to look. And if you're serious about building global career, earning remotely, and also creating opportunities beyond your local markets, you need to click the subscribe button now, because every week and every day I share remote job strategies, CV tips, interview secrets, and hiring opportunities most people in Africa discover too late. So comment remote below and tell me the platform you are applying on first. Save this video because your life actually depends on it, and share it with someone who is tired of job hunting without results. I'm going to see you in my next video. Hi, my name is Deborah Dosumo. I'm a 5-year sports remote worker and also a co-founder in Remote Life Academy. IF Nation, we cannot be eating. Bye-bye.